Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, cadets. Today I will focus you about the computer oriented device. Computer is a widely used device, but it is not a particular single device. It is the combination of all devices. There are three types of devices it used. So if we focus on the computer oriented device, so first of all there comes input device. Input device. Another one is processing device. And third one is output device. Okay. So input device is called those device which is related to take input from outside. It may be from environment, it may be from human resource, or it may be from storage things. So those devices which is used to take data from outside of computer is called the input device. What are they? What are the input devices? Suppose I am talking to you, you are listening to me. So there is a mouth. This mouth is input because it takes audio to the computer, to the device, and those which devices is used to process those data is called processing devices. So processing device is likely your CPU, RAM, hard disk, memory card, storage devices, whatever it is. So we came to know that input device, those devices which is used to take input like mouse, keyboard. So mouse, keyboard, if we use mouse, keyboard, the purpose of the use of mouse and keyboard is to give the input to the computer. So there are any other devices like, so mouse and keyboard is very much used mouse. So a scanner, there is another devices. What is a scanner? The document, printed document. If you want to take the data from the printed document, then the scanner is used. So this type of devices is called the input device. And there are another type of device which is processing device. What are they? Processing device is called mainly CPU, Central Processing Unit, or the processor. We may call the CPU or the processor. What is processor? Processor is an integrated chip. So there are a lot of resistors combining, creating a processor. So the processor has three parts: arithmetic and logical unit, processing unit. So this processor is used to process the data. And there are another type of device in processing. This is called a storage device. So this device is used to store your data. So there are two kinds of storage device. One is called RAM, another one is called ROM. So these are called the primary device. A storage device is called the primary device. And there are another one is secondary device. So secondary device is called the CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, hard disk, is called a secondary device. So if we focus on primary device, we got RAM and ROM. So these two devices is called the primary device. What is RAM? RAM is called the random access memory. Random access memory. So this RAM is very fast. The processing speed of RAM is very fast. So, but there is a very critical issue that if we lost our electricity, then the holding data of RAM will be lost. So this is the very identical issue of RAM. Random access memory is very speedy data transfer rate, but if electricity is gone, then the data of RAM already gone. What is the ROM? ROM is called read-only memory. So read-only memory is based on some IC. So it's very difficult to write, but whatever the data it holds will not be deleted easily. So this is the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM, while the electricity has gone, then the holding of data of RAM is lost, but if the electricity has gone, ROM will not be removed. And another one is secondary device. Secondary device is called HDD, hard disk drive, or SDD, solid state SSD, solid state drive. So we may use HDD or SSD or CD, compact discs. So those storage are used for storing data, but if electricity has gone, no data will be lost. So we need to build a computer, we need input device, we need processing device, we need a storage device. So what are the difference between those type of device in storage? While you turn on your computer, your data is traveling from hard disk to RAM. At first, ROM is built in your motherboard and it just calculated the BIOS information, basic input output system. After that, the operating system holds in HDD, SSD, SSD or CD. So it goes to RAM, random access memory. So CPU just operate those data which is relies on RAM. So after taking the data from RAM, it process, and if necessary, after processing, it goes to secondary device. It's saved in here again. So CPU don't take the data from hard disk, SSD or CD directly. It required RAM to take the data from the storage. After the processing of data, we need output device. What is the output device? What are they? The device which is used to show us the result is called the output device. This is called, the first of all, monitors. Is definitely an output device. The printers. This is also an output device. So monitors, printers, plotters, sound box. So all are these devices to give us the output from processing data. So these are the devices we are used in. So whatever the computer is based on these three type of device: input device, processing device and output device. So if we use a computer, now you can realize that computer is not a particular device. It is the combination of a lot of devices, so which has different purpose in different actions. So that's all for today. Thank you, cadets. Have a nice day.